Drawing templates are used to create new drawings. Templates can store a variety of things, including drawing-specific system variables, standard layers, drawing units, and much more. You will begin by creating a new drawing with a template, and then you will alter that drawing and save it as a new custom template. Click the New button on the Quick Access toolbar to create a new blank drawing file. You'll be prompted to select a template, and AutoCAD ships with a number of templates here. They're divided into several groups. The top 4 templates all say AutoCAD, and those use imperial units of feet and inches. The next 4 templates say ISO, and these use the metric system. The bottom 4 templates are specific to tutorials. The top 2 groups are further subdivided. AutoCAD and AutoCAD 3D are imperial unit templates that are in 2D and 3D. These are both using color-dependent plot styles. The top 2 templates also use imperial units, but they use named plot styles for a 2D template and a 3D template. Let's say we want to create a new custom template that is using imperial units. It's a 2D template that uses named plot styles. I'll select this template and say Open. I'll go to the Units command by typing UN, Enter, and then you can see right here that we're using imperial units already because the insertion scale is set to inches. I'll change the type of unit to architectural so I can input feet and inches directly. Let me just verify that the direction is set to east and the angle is set to anti-clockwise because this is unchecked. I'll say OK. And the next thing I might want to consider is creating some standard layers. I'll type LA to open the Layer command. And then right here, I will click this button to create a new layer. I'll call it A-wall to represent architectural walls. I'll give it a color by clicking on this icon, and I'll select red. OK. Most companies have extensive sets of layer standards so that when you create a new drawing, it comes complete with all the conceivable layers that you might need. You could do that here. You could create all the layers that you need in the template, and then every new drawing that you create would automatically have those layers created for you. But in this example, I'm just going to create the one layer. Let's go to the Options command by typing OP Enter, and we'll select the Display tab, and I'll change the ViewRes system variable to 2000. This is a drawing-specific system variable, so it makes sense to set it in the template. That way, all the new drawings I create using this template will have this value already pre-assigned. I'll click OK. Now let's save the changes that we've made as a new template. Go up to the Application menu and say Save As, Drawing Template. Let's rename that My Custom Template and click Save. You're prompted to describe this template with more detail. Normal English feet and inches drawing template uses named plot styles. I'll also add that it uses architectural units. OK. Now that we have a new template, we can create new drawings using that template. But we should take care not to save this drawing with any content in it because we're in the template file itself right now. You can see that up here. The extension is DWT. I'll type Close to close this particular file and press Enter. Now I'll create a new file using My Custom Template. When I click Open, the new drawing is created using that template, but notice now we have a new drawing name called drawing7.dwg. If you go into the Layer Manager, you'll see that that layer is in this file. And if you go into the Units command, you will see that we are using architectural units. So all of the changes that we made in that template are reflected here in the new drawing. You have learned how to both create a new drawing with a template and how to create your own template.